I am going to show you how to make a creamy and delicious creamy mushroom sauce for steak or for chicken. It is so easy to make it at home and it is awesome. Okay, for this recipe, I'm gonna use a big white onion. I already add some oil in a pan and I'm just frying a big onion right here. Fry it for around 3 or 4 minutes. And we don't want a raw onion in our sauce. And you're gonna need a lot of mushroom. I love mushroom, okay? And I'm using a lot of here. You can use white mushroom, but I recommend using shiitake or portobello mushroom. Just slice them, okay? We don't want the mushroom whole. You wanna slice them with a knife. And then just put them in there and start mixing everything. Start combining. You can add more oil if you think there's not enough oil in the pan, and just keep cooking everything. We want the sauce to be creamy and soft. I'm gonna use butter. I'm gonna use only half of that block, which is like 2 ounces, and just put half of it and just start combining everything one more time. I'm gonna use salt and pepper for this sauce, okay? A little bit of salt and some black pepper. You can use white pepper too if you want. I like this sauce when I cook chicken, when I grill chicken, when I fry chicken, when I grill steak. It doesn't matter. It is an amazing sauce and you should make it. You're gonna enjoy it. Okay, so start combining everything one more time and start smelling delicious in your kitchen. You can make this sauce ahead of time if you are like grilling a steak or chicken. It's always to have the sauce ready. Okay, now we're gonna add a lot of spinach. You can put cilantro if you want, but I like to add spinach. You can use around 1 cup of spinach. You can use the amount of mushroom that you like. I don't like to measure when I cook. I just grab whatever I have around me and I just start putting it in there, okay? For making this sauce, you don't need measurement. What you need though is garlic, and I have some garlic paste, which someday I'm gonna upload a video to show you how I make my own garlic paste at home. I just put a lot of garlic in a blender, add olive oil, and just blend it and have it ready in the refrigerator. And then that way I don't have to chop or buy garlic. I have some white wine here. If you don't have white wine, you can admit it. But I like to always save a little bit of wine whenever I'm drinking at home, which is cheaper and safer. There's nothing like drinking at home. You're safe with your family and you're having a good time. Okay, this sauce looks amazing. What do we need now? A little bit of heavy cream would be great, because that way the sauce is going to be creamy. And just put a little bit of heavy cream, okay? I used to work in a restaurant in San Francisco a long time ago, and they in that restaurant used to serve this sauce with chicken or steak, and the customer used to love it. But it is a sauce that is made in many restaurants, but if you make it for your wife, for your husband, whenever you're grilling chicken or you're frying chicken, they're gonna love it. I have a big piece of tomahawk steak. One day I'm gonna upload the video, so stay tuned, please. I grill a big tomahawk steak, which I pay like $35. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how I made my own creamy mushroom sauce. It is so delicious. Please try it at home. You're gonna like it a lot, I promise. And just put it on top of the steak. This steak was awesome. I enjoy it so much. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please come back, give it a like, share this video, and most importantly, make this sauce. You're gonna like it like I said before. Have a great day and see you next time.